Alright, welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit overcast, but I'm going to go out on the kayak. The rig that I've got going, I'll show you when we get down to the ramp we're going to launch. But I've got a little dry bag with what I need in it, whatnot. Bring my water, emergency blanket, stuff like that. I'm going to go down the Puhoi River, from Puhoi to Windhome. Got my life jacket, so yeah. See you down at the ramp. Alright, so I'm now in Puhoi, and the bridge is behind me, got everything going, and yeah, gonna head off to Windhome now. Cool. So I thought I'd get the camera going, because now we're about to go underneath the new bridge for State Highway 1, the brand new one. So I motor past that, and we're going to go into it. The intersection of Puhoi is on our right hand side. Alright, so just made it to the jetty where I'm going to probably hop out again once I've got to Windhome, because level 3 you're not supposed to go out fishing, so they've closed the boat ramp off there, so can't go out there, but this looks fine. We'll get out here, little jetty. The motorway, as you can probably hear, is up there, but we're motoring for a half an hour I suppose now, so yeah, up some stairs over there, when we get out, so we're good. Alright, I'll see you soon, probably when we get out towards the end a little bit more, I'd say, towards Windhome. Alright, so just made it into Windhome. Got the rig here. Nice wipe the lens. Here we go. Yeah, so made it into Windhome. Got the rig here. Pull it up a bit. Yeah, so I've got the Mariner 3.3 on the back. Put me here. Dry bag, just things that I need in case something goes wrong. So yeah, this is what we made a little while back. Had the kayak previously, acquired the pontoon outrigger thing, and then welded up the frame. Alright, so let's come out to the jetty. Got rig over there, tied off. So yeah, I've come from all the way up there, and then around the corner. So yeah, quite a way. Alright, so we're leaving Windhome now, and the jetty, and the others, and I'm going to meet them back at the stairs of the other jetty we went past earlier. Right, see you soon. We're really up and plating now. I'll put it on full throttle for a bit and clear off the carburetor. Happy to say we have made it to the pickup spot. Alright, so we're back now, all cleaned up and warm, and got everything tidied up. And I just want to say thanks for watching this episode, and be sure to tune in and subscribe because there's going to be another one coming soon. of the Globite Fishing Innovators subscription box. So yeah, thanks for watching, and be kind. Stay strong, New Zealand. Thanks.